students, welcome to Ajax Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss class 9 AP and TS state, motion and laws of motion, multiple choice questions and answers. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. Now I'll discuss first motion chapter, multiple choice question and answers. The distance travelled by an object in a specified direction is speed, displacement, velocity, acceleration. Here the distance travelled by an object in a specified direction is displacement. So the second option is correct. Okay, next. If an object is moving with constant velocity, then the motion is motion with non-uniform acceleration, motion with uniform acceleration, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Here in this question, an object is moving with constant velocity. So then the motion is in uniform motion. Okay. Next. If there is change in the velocity of the object, then state of the object with respect to motion is state of constant speed, state of constant velocity, state of uniform motion and state of non-uniform motion. Here, if there is a change in velocity of the object, here the velocity is changing. So then what is the state of the object with respect to motion? That is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion nothing but unequal changes in equal intervals of time. So that's why the state of the object with respect to motion is state of non-uniform motion. Okay, option D is correct. Next, fourth one. If the acceleration of a moving object is constant, then the motion is said to be motion with constant speed, motion with uniform acceleration, motion with uniform velocity, motion with non-uniform acceleration. Here acceleration of the moving object is constant, then motion with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration, but here acceleration is constant. It is moving with constant acceleration. So that is the motion with uniform acceleration. Okay. Next. Now I'll discuss laws of motion, multiple choice question and answers. Let us discuss first one. The scientist who said that an object in motion will remain in same motion as long as no external force is applied. Here this statement is said by Galileo. An object in motion will remain in same as long as no external force is applied. If we are applying external force, then the body is in motion. If you are not applying any external force, then the body will remain same. So the scientist who said this statement, Galileo. So second option is correct. Next, if the net force acting on an object is 0, then the body is said to be in the state of, here net force acting on the object is 0. Here there is no force. So then the body is said to be in the state of equilibrium. Okay, first option is correct. Next, the inertia of a body depends on shape, volume, mass, area. Here, inertia of a body depends on mass. Mass of a body measures inertia. So, inertia of a body depends on mass. Third option is correct. Next, Newton used the word mass in motion to represent linear momentum, inertia of motion, velocity, inertia at rest. Here The word mass in motion represent linear momentum. Newton used the word mass in motion to represent linear momentum. Linear momentum nothing but the product of mass and velocity. It is represented by letter P. So Newton, the scientist Newton used the word mass in motion to represent linear momentum. Okay. First option is correct. Next, the SI unit of momentum is here meter per second, kilogram meter second and kilogram meter per second square. Here in this momentum nothing but mass into velocity. Here momentum is equals to mass into velocity. Here the unit of mass is kilogram. The unit of velocity is meters per second. So the SI unit of momentum is, by the formula you can write it as SI unit of mass kilogram, SI unit of velocity meters per second. Here SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of velocity is meters per second. So SI unit of momentum is kilogram meters per second. So in this four options, option C is correct. So the SI unit of momentum is kilogram meters per second. Okay. Option C is correct. Thanks for watching this video.